So good. It's a fresh one. Wow. Hello guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So we'll go for fishing today. And now we are in the unknown place. I don't know in which jungle is this.
Rubber garden.
Yeah, there you can see rubber garden. So guys, till then we will go for a ride and we'll reach there in Chamata, and I will show you there. We will be fishing there. Big fishes. We have finally reached that place. Oh, this is the pond, yeah? The pond is quite big. Wow. And the other pond is this side. One is left, one is right. Oi. And finally, you see here's the hook. This is for big ones. So this will go pretty deep. Oh, hopefully we get. So you see, I will show you how he does.
Go.
He will throw far. 1, 2. Ooh. Wow. So nice. We have 4. 1, 2, 3, and 1 is the side. 4. We are giving food so that the fishes will come. I saw the fish pool again. That wide. The one we went inside the water. Finally we are going to catch it. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Oh nice. Oh, Alvin got good one. Oh. Oh, it's a big one. Huh? Oh, that guy got big one there. That side. Oh yeah. He got very big. I'll go and see that side. He caught big fish. I will show you guys. That is a mirka fish. It's called mirka. So I'll go and see. And let's see the fish. I miss lah. This is for big fish. Just as he already caught just now like that. So it will go pura deep inside the water. I think I'll show you later. The fish has already, he kept it there. It's a big one. Since he is now fishing, he's a bit busy. So maybe at last I'll show you the big one. Yeah, it's a bad luck. It started to rain. And this, you see my friends are also. So interesting to see them in the rain with raincoat. Putting the umbrella. Woohoo! Array! Very good, man. So lucky. Woohoo! Oh, it's thunder. Yeah, what a funny rain, yeah? That half part is raining so heavily, and this part is just drizzling a little bit. No, actually it started from the side. Now finally it came, so I have to take first my umbrella. But it's so difficult to see whether the fishes ate or not. But they are already experienced, so yeah, hopefully they will know how to recognize. I said he's an experienced person. He already caught though. See there? Yeah, I thought that he won't catch. So I was like, I was putting off my mobile, but see, he already caught. Yeah. Oh man. Yeah, finally he caught the big one. Woohoo! Pakandi look at. So he's making the fish dance. Oh, we can see that one, that one.
Antak bol deh. Tak saya kasih undung saya.
Cho.
Apa saya cun nampak tu?
Nasi ikan apa?
Ada. It's so unique. Again, finally, he caught it. His name is Alvin. He caught it. Woohoo! Is here. He's making the fish dance. Breakdance, alright, bro. Breakdance. He likes breakdance so much. Damn. Who knows? If he make the fish dance so much, in case if the fish escape means bad luck. Mirka. I was right. Finally it went back, yeah. No problem. Again will come back, no problem. Once again he caught, I think, the fish that went that time. That left away. Nah? Oh, now the finally. This is a fish. Finally. I think this was finally big one. Wow, so fresh, yeah. Finally, from that time we kept it and they caught. That's the fish, that one. Wow, come on, boy, come. Woohoo! Woohoo! Finally caught it. Caught again. Last the best time hand. This is the best one, guys. Now he. Oh! Yeah. Twice already with this. Both of them caught at the same time. Very fast. Oh, shit, no, look at. That's the wrong number. So he shifted the side. He was keeping that side, the hook. He shifted the side and finally caught it. Hi. Again. We did no time, yeah? Already pulled it. We did no time. So he is too busy. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, man. We did no time he caught again. Yeah, finally our bro also caught. Wow. Suruh pula kima. Anela. Oi. Yeah. Ran back. Hopefully we'll catch again. So we have finally finished today's catching, fishing, and this is the final one. You can see. I thank Sunil so much for giving me this. Me than just I came for taking video to enjoy how they do fishing, but he gave me this. I am so thankful to him. Yeah, God bless him. This is the other friend. That time I said that I will show you the big one. So this is the big one. Wow! Finally, I caught it. Yeah, that's nice. And one of our friends also caught a lot. Two. Silver lang na. Oh, there are silver. I don't know what fishes. So good. And here is the other group. Oh, they caught. I don't know what is this fish. So good. It's a fresh one. Wow. We all report here. They also went one group. And we also here. We will be going back now. Guys, until then, see you all in the next vlog. With this, I would like to end in this village, Chamata village. And I think next time I will be coming again.